Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to demonstrate the Pepper's Ghost illusion. Check this out. All I'm going to use to create my Pepper's Ghost illusion is some transparency film, a pair of scissors, tape, this template, and my Chromebook, and I'm going to use some sites off YouTube that were specially designed for a Pepper's Ghost illusion. The Pepper's Ghost illusion was popularized by John Pepper in 1862, where he had a real or recorded image projected on a transparent screen at a 45-degree angle, causing what appeared as a ghostly image that seemed to appear out of nowhere, but really is just a reflection of an image in a secret room behind the transparent screen. The first step is to cut out your transparency film from the template so it looks like this. Next, you want to fold the transparency film in the same orientation on every dotted line so it kind of looks like a pyramid. Make sure that you fold this little tab over here too, because that's the part that you're going to tape. Finally, use one small piece of tape to connect your flap to make your viewfinder for your Pepper's Ghost illusion. It should look like this. Next, with the lights out, lower your screen all the way down and turn the brightness up on your screen as far as it will go. And try one of the illusion videos that are pre-recorded on YouTube. Maximize your screen and put your viewfinder that you made directly in the center of the projected image. Now take your viewfinder and look at it from a lower angle, and you'll see the projected image appear on your viewfinder. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.